how to use Google Trends for YouTube. In this video, I will show you how to do the keyword research by using Google Trends. Yes, Google Trends, it's a powerful keyword tool. You can use it for YouTube to find high search volume topics, okay? And also you can compare um, between the keywords, okay? So also there is many keyword tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy, but Google Trends is good one also. So how you can use it? So go to Google Trends and go directly to trending right now, or trending now, sorry. And here you can find the topics that I have high search volume, okay? And you can here change the country of where you want to see the trending topics. Okay, for me, for example, I want to see trending topics on United States, so I choose here to United States. You can choose the period. Okay, so you can choose past 4 hours, or for example past 24 hours, 84 or 48 hours, and past 7 days. For example, I choose past 24 hours, okay? And here you can choose by search volume. This is the important thing, okay? So here we can find this, for example, it's more than 2 million search last 24 hours. Yes, and this topic or this trending is started from 9 hours ago, okay? So this is some trending topics. You can use it to make videos on YouTube. Also for example, you can create blog also, okay? So for example, I choose this and I can see um the tags that you can use it, okay? So the trending is PlayStation Network statue, but you can find here also the keyword that you can use it, okay? So this is all keywords, you can use them, okay? So you can copy them here and put on Blocknot, okay? Also, for example, I go to YouTube and I will try to see this keyword videos. Okay, as you can see here, 6 hours, how many views. So you see, this topic is trending and other people, they doing videos about this topic, okay? So for example, we can go here, copy this and paste it here. And as you can see here, many channels doing videos about this topic because it's trending and there is many views, okay? There's many views. As you can see here, it's many views. Okay, so also don't forget, if you need a SEO expert, I can help you. You can contact me on my email. I will leave you my email on the description. I am SEO expert and I'm doing SEO service, okay? So for example, we go right now to how to compare between two topics or two trending topics or two keywords, okay? So for example, I put this on Google Trends again. I need to open new window. Okay, Google Trend. I put the keyword here. I click explore. Okay, make sure here, because we are going to explain how to use Google Trends for YouTube. So choose YouTube search and here choose, for example, worldwide, okay? Or you can say, or choose United States. Okay, and you can choose, for example, past okay, past day. And for example, we want to compare between this topic and another topic. For example, this, I put this topic here, I click search, and here you can compare between the two subjects. Okay, so this is important thing to know which or which keyword you can use it and get views. Okay, so here it's PT Rose is better than PlayStation Network City. Okay, so here you can see where the people search about this topic, and also they gives you related queries or related keywords the people use it to search about this topic. Okay, so this is how you can use Google Trend for YouTube to found high search volume topics and do video about that. This help you to get more subscribers and more views in small time without problems. Just make sure you choose the right keyword and the right topic. So if this video really helped you, subscribe my channel, like the video, and you can contact me on the email and WhatsApp also to uh, to order your SEO YouTube service. Thank you.